Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate a search field in a Flutter macOS toolbar. So let's get started. So firstly I'll show you guys the output. So here is my macOS app, Flutter macOS app, and whatever I enter inside my toolbar search field, that I'm displaying it inside the text field as well, text widget as well. So if I just say H, here you can see it turn to H. If I remove this, it gets removed. If I type nobody, it gets changed to nobody. So this text is Flutter component, but this search text field widget is a toolbar from macOS. So let's see how to achieve this. So here you can see this is our, I don't know what this is, why is this codium? Okay, so here is our Flutter macOS application, Flutter application. I've just refactored this home page widget to be a stateful widget. Here is our event channel, which will help us to send data, whatever we have entered inside our search field from native macOS to Flutter side. Here I have created a stream subscription as well. This is our string of data, and inside the init state we are initializing our subscription, and whatever data I get, if it is not equal to our previous data, then I am just assigning it to our data variable. This is for error handling. In dispose we just cancel our subscription, and inside the build I have just taken a text, and here I am displaying data over it. Now I have opened the XE workspace of our macOS inside Xcode. Then you will have to firstly go to your project, go to runner, and here you will have to update the minimum deployment of your macOS to at least level 0. So I have already done that. Then you will have to go to main Flutter window. Here firstly I have created this Flutter event channel. I have also extended NH toolbar delegate as well as Flutter stream handler, and this is the same identifier what we have used it on the Flutter side. Then we are just initializing the stream search event channel, okay, setting the stream handler for it, and here we are assigning the toolbar to our window. Here we are overriding these two methods because we are extending Flutter stream handler, so we are assigning event sync, and here we create our toolbar. Then whenever we enter something inside our search field of toolbar, we will come over here. So this method gets called, and if the event sync is not equal to null, then I am sending the data back to Flutter side. And this particular things which you have to override because we are extending NH toolbar delegate. So here I have just created this search item, same over here, because I don't have any other icons or menu items inside our toolbar, so that's why it is pretty simple. And here we have to also override this item for item identifier, and here we identify our search item. Then I have created a search text field. I have assigned some placeholder target, and this is our action, so this method gets called. And here you can see I have created this search item. I have setting the label as well as search field and returning our search item. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.